back and forth. All right.
Looks like you're locked right there. So
Yeah,
again,
you see
he's
I've-
working.
you see
He's
I've
working
bent-
with the chain. Yeah.
You see I've bent those two?
Yeah, you've bent both of them.
Bent this way.
Right. Wow. Oh, wow. There. So it's just finding that tension point. Wow. There it is. Look at that. Wow.
That was broken. These are very tight on me now, but if you want to take those off and put on.
Well, why don't you show, just so we can see. Take a look. Look at those marks. Give me the other hand. Okay, well, thank you for doing us the service of showing that.